Mr. Palmer.
Yes, world boss.
First of all, how the family?
Family is good, sir.
And
Thank you,
and
world boss.
the Empress is fine?
She's right in front of me right now.
Ah, give my regards to her and happy birthday, my brethren. Young lady,
Yes, man. No complaint.
young lady, are you taking good care of my friend?
Yes, definitely.
Okay, fine. I take that
On it.
I take that affirmation seriously.
Me
Bye.
too.
Viewer subscribers, Vybz Kartel, the world boss, one done is at it again, and this time St. Vincent and Grenadines Prime Minister Ralph Gonzalez gives Vybz Kartel a call just to wish him a happy birthday. And man, I say no lie, people, it's a good look, it's a big look, it's a great look to see St. Vincent and Grenadines Prime Minister Ralph Gonzalez take the time out and busy schedule to link the world boss, talk to no people, the clip are not normal, it loud about the cloud, and me not even gonna talk to you long. I could forward in the clip and see what go on.
Kartel brethren, Vybz, I follow your Freedom Street.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
What a massive turnout.
Yes, the turnout was amazing from all over the world.
Jesus. The first number I saw was 40,000. Can the man tell me no? The number is 60. And a man tell me, no. And another brethren tell me, he say the standing room is 30,000. So, and the whole place jam packed.
That's true, boss. That's true.
And I was not surprised though. Your energy and will kept you going for over 3 hours.
People, me not tell no lie. You see the phone call ya, it no normal. It loud about the cloud, one place or one part. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. Talk truth no man. It's a presidential moment. Yo people, I one thing with Vybz Kartel. They man and the name world boss or nothing. Talk truth no man. And me not even gonna elaborate too long. I could forward in a clip again and see what them a deal with.
True.
As you told me that you were going to do. My old brother Jeremiah, in the book of Lamentations, when he and God were talking very well, that's what God told Jeremiah. Before you in your mother's womb, I knew you, I made you, I blessed you, I sanctified you and proclaimed you a prophet to all nations.
Same destiny.
Eh?
Same destiny did set. Him destiny set from even before birth.
Even before you're born. And there's nothing anybody could do about it. And you are tested. Remember, I tell you this. You are tested many times along the way. Sometimes you don't even know you are tested until the thing just hit you. You say, well, boy, I have to do right here because I am being tested.
So people, as you all can see, Vybz Kartel and St. Vincent and Grenadines Prime Minister Ralph Gonzalez have developed a mutual friendship, and people, is a good look, is a big look, is a great look. And if you don't notice, Ralph come like Vybz Kartel motivator people. Yeah man, there is never a dull moment nor a dull conversation between Vybz Kartel and Ralph Gonzalez. Talk truth no people, and I'm not even going to elaborate too long. I could forward in a clip and see what them are going with.
I'm very proud of you, and I'm very happy to see that the show came out so well. And I hope in the process that you made a few shillings. Because shillings are important. You need a few shillings for the odd sandal or two. No,
Yes, word boss.
and
Yes, word boss.
important you have people around you who you trust, who care for you, and who love you.
And this people right here. Yes.
You know,
Yeah. Yeah.
No, man, enjoy yourselves on your birthday.
Yeah, man, bang out.
So people, that was a clip of Vybz Kartel and St. Vincent and Grenadines Prime Minister Ralph Gonsalves on a phone call. And as you all can see, Ralph take the time out and busy schedule to call Vybz Kartel and wish him a happy birthday and congratulate him on his successful Freedom Street concert. And people, it's a big look, it's a great look. And right now, we have Lee Sparta and Lee Sparta outside, people. And the man just make the fans them know straight, say, yo, them have to know how to be a coward. And me not going to talk too long. I could forward another clip here and see what Sparta boss are going with.
Yeah, man. God is good. Big up all I get to you, them. I know, so I do right this year. No boy, I know girl can't get in no trouble. You have to learn the art of cowardness. When you're afraid for coward, you're not dead. Right now, if me and Nicki Minaj and Rihanna there, so right now, I'm see a man come and I like her. Look, I have to boom my fence go and left Nicki Minaj and Rihanna, man. Them have to laugh off of me. I ain't confident I'm dead, but tell me, wake up. You know, depend that. Coward.
Yo, people, I want to think about Tamili, I want to real sample, man, in a real life, man. Tamili, you know that, man. You're wicked, you're sick, no jokes. The man say, yo, you might go boom the fence left Nicki Minaj and Rihanna. Yo, what you say, Tamili? Coward. And when that team I go talk chill like with people. But we found that clip again and see what Sparta boss are going to do.
Coward. Yeah, man. Feel like some of my boy come take a milk points and everything. When I find that, brother, my number one job on the music. My number one job is to stay alive. Any boy, feel so them brave enough. A police badness me did. Police alone can't get on for me. A police are bad man. Police just know I'm afraid of. Look no. One know I'm a good youth. I'm afraid of you. I don't want to trouble me. I do it right. I turn coward. I'm going to make sure you them do it right. Yeah. Yeah. Shut up Wally from Ghana. Big up yourself, my G. Yeah, man. You have to learn the art of coward. So man go on to brew that's on the dead more.
There you have it, viewers and subscribers. That was Lee Sparta speaking and being a coward. And when I tell a lie, people, Lee, I want a real sample man in a real life. But him have a point. No, the man say, yo, him number one job on the music. Him number one job of his stay alive. Yo, Lee, that clip a load of bossy cloud at one place at one part. It bad, it wicked, it mad, it sicked. No jokes. Talk truth, no man. What you say? You're afraid of police and you just want them to know, say, yo, you turn coward now and you do the right thing and you go make sure say the youths them do the right thing. No, and people, I'm not even going to elaborate too long. I want you now, my viewers and my subscribers and all of the Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them, spam up the comment section and let me know what you all think about Vybz Kartel on a phone call with St. Vincent and Grenadines Prime Minister. It bad, it wicked, it hot, it cold. Yeah, man. I want to see all I Vybz Kartel Gaza Nation fans them and all I dancehall fans them. Spam up the comment section and make me know how I go on. You know the rules, you know the laws. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Feel free to comment, like up the video, share up the video. You know it's your boy Cian and I'm out.
Cian Entertainment Review. Cian Entertainment Review. Yeah, Cian Channel Art. Dog, me say them eat art, Cian Channel Art. Yeah, me say them art. You see I know the prayer. Don't know how big than I represent for Cian Entertainment Reviews. What we have to stay attention when them on the drop news. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like and comment and share to a friend. I be give you outside.